Hey guys, welcome to the channel. First off, I want to thank everybody for subscribing and coming over from Capper's account. Really appreciate it. Today, again, I had to change the name of the channel. I say again, but I've never mentioned it. Anyhow, I changed the name of the channel to the Mid-Coast Tractor Service. I did this so I could expand. You know, what if I get a big tractor or try to solicit some manufacturers for some tools to showcase or whatever. Oh, look at this. Oh, I cleared all this out. I show you like every time. But I cleared that entire lot back there with my little tractor. Oh, is there a tree falling apart back there? I think it is. I cleared all that, and it was just all that grown up brush. I know you get tired of it. Anyhow, today got me a new tow vehicle. Bought this 98 Durango and needed a transmission, so I sold some things and finagled and managed to get a transmission for it, and I finally got it in. Being disabled, it's kind of hard to do things by myself anymore. Anyhow, I got it all together, running and driving, and today we're gonna hook up the wiring control or the brake controller. And I gotta look under the dash and find the wiring and stuff. I mean, it's under there. I just have to figure out if there's like a, I don't know. There's a factory one, and then this one also looks factory. They've already got it pulled down. Let's dive under here and check it out. So this here is the wiring I have, and there's supposed to be a blue plug, which I think this is it. Take my glasses off. Yeah, this has got to be it. It's got a factory plug on it. Or factory, yeah, this is it. Okay. I'm gonna go find my my brake controller. And actually, no, it's not too cold out here today. But there's a key in it. No, I think I have the key in my pocket though. Convertible key, van key. I got them all. Here it is. Let's see if it'll start. It should. This thing starts really well. It's got a 5.9 in it. With no muffler, it's only got a catalytic converter on it. So I'm gonna go get my brake controller. I have a Takancha P2 brake controller. I'll let that run for a while, warm up, so I'll have some heat in there. Put my glasses on so I can see. Takancha P2 brake controller. I gotta go in the garage and find it. The Sebring is in the garage. Maybe I'll just take the Sebring out and pull the Durango in. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So hang with me, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm in the garage. I got my butt connectors. Walk over here to the sandblaster where my brake controller is. Oddly enough, that's the minute I pulled my tractor in the garage, or off the trailer, I took the lights off, and that's where they've been sitting ever since. Sitting right up there. So if I ever sell it, which I probably will, because, you know, I need a backhoe. So if I ever sell it, then I'll have brand new lights. Okay, I'm gonna get the wire in this thing. I might actually have to run in the house and get my my wire strippers slash crimpers. They're in the basement. I don't know why. That's where they are. So let me do that. I'll get right back with you. I have to go in the house and get my multimeter. Be right back. Okay, it's all connected. Now I need to put the interior back together from when I was trying to pull that alarm out because the thing wouldn't start. Which was a whole nother situation I'd rather not talk about. So I'm going to get this back together, then I'm going to go unhook the trailer from the the van. I have a bad habit of chewing on wire mold when I do wiring. I'm going to unhook the van. I'm going to hook the Durango up and make sure I hear the brakes clicking. And then we're going to take it for a drive, basically, see how this thing pulls. It ought to pull quite well. This is heavier than the van and has a bigger engine and a lower first and second gear. So we'll see. It also has huge tires on it. I say huge, but compared to the van, they're big. So let's just do it. I'll be back in a minute. Awesome, we're connected. Let's see how it tows. Brakes work. I really shouldn't be towing with it. Ooh, brakes work a little too good. Let me back this thing off. Put it about halfway. There we go. Maybe a little more. There we go. Try not to make the back tires skid. Alright, it's going to tow real good. Turn signals work and everything. Cool. put you back there on the tractor. Towing real good. Truck needs some front end work though. That's for sure. There we go, now we're in overdrive. Probably shouldn't be towing in overdrive, but you know how that goes. Battery's dying. Talk to you later. All right. Well, I'm going to call that a win. Bought a Durango about 3 months ago with a bad transmission. Bought a good transmission out of a wrecked running Durango. Swapped it out. Took forever. Hooked up the brake controller today. And it tows great. It might even tow better than the van. It appears to be sitting level. That's why I left the camera on the. Yeah, it looks like it's sitting level. I don't know. Durango might be sitting a little low in the back. Looks like it. But then again, it could be the angle. Hell, I don't know. Anyway. That's a win for me. I got a new tow vehicle. Well, stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot of pulls this coming summer. And there'll be some videos working on the van now that I can work on it and stop driving it. Plates are expired on it. I don't even have the title and my name on the Durango. Anyway, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.